Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use SnapTube. First you will need to open your SnapTube app. We use the search bar to search for the video we want to download. Or you can decide to use YouTube. These are the videos. When you want to download a video, you click on this arrow. You either choose the music or the video. Then you click on the word download. You can even decide to download the music here. Then you click on the same arrow still to download the video or the audio. We have this play part. This one allows you to see the videos or the music you have downloaded, even the features, even the files that are still downloading. Then you have the settings part. This one is having a lot of things, like this one for WhatsApp status saver. Then this one for dark mode when you want to change the dark mode. These are notification settings. Then here you want to save the battery. Here you want to clean the application. Here you want to delete photos. Here you want to uninstall applications. Here it's when you want to uninstall applications. Then here deleting large files. There are many things, even here logging into your account, changing language, and so many others. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.